Understanding the mediation process, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, mediation process. This is a term you might encounter in various contexts, such as legal discussions, workplace conflicts, or even international relations. Understanding what it means and how it's used will enhance your English skills, especially in professional settings. Let's dive in. Mediation is a word that refers to the act of resolving disputes between two or more parties. The key element here is that it involves a neutral third party, someone who is not directly involved in the conflict but helps the parties communicate and find a solution. Process, in this context, refers to a series of steps or actions taken to achieve a particular end. So, when we talk about the mediation process, we are referring to the systematic approach taken by the mediator to help resolve a conflict. The mediation process typically involves several key steps. 1. Introduction. The mediator introduces themselves and explains the rules and goals of the mediation. 2. Statement of the problem. Each party presents their side of the story without interruption. 3. Identification of interests. The mediator helps the parties identify their needs and interests in the conflict. 4. Negotiation. The parties discuss possible solutions, with the mediator facilitating the conversation. 5. Agreement. If the parties reach a consensus, the mediator helps draft an agreement. Remember, the mediator's role is not to make decisions but to help the parties find a mutually acceptable solution. Mediation is used in a variety of contexts. Legal disputes, often used as an alternative to going to court. Workplace conflicts, helps resolve issues between employees or between employees and management. International relations, used to resolve disputes between countries or groups. Understanding where and how mediation is used can give you a better grasp of its importance in different sectors. That's a wrap on our exploration of the mediation process. We hope this video has helped you understand this important concept and its application in various contexts. Remember, learning such phrases not only builds your vocabulary but also your understanding of complex social and professional interactions. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.